I'm going to show you a new construction home in an exclusive gated community where you're just 20 minutes away from the ocean. If you're looking to build your very own home or would prefer something that's new but don't want to wait 9 months to a year to build, my name is Raphael. I am an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and new home communities in South Florida. And I can personally help and work with you throughout the process to find the right place to call home.
So this model is for sale and move-in ready in the mid-400s with higher end upgrades and finishes than most other new builds in this price range. This home has been built as a 2-bedroom plus a versatile flex space at the front of the home that can be used either as a den or an open office, 2 full bathrooms and a 2-car garage with 11-foot ceilings, hurricane impact windows and doors, concrete tile roofing, and an automatic irrigation system. And for the interior appointments, the builder installed luxury vinyl planking, 42-inch cream and white oak colored cabinets with under cabinet lighting, Cambria quartz countertops, a deep stainless steel sink underneath the window that looks out over towards the lake. You get extra recessed LED lighting throughout, 8-foot doors along with taller baseboards and black accents, and the kitchen is situated in the back of the home, steps away from the lanai, so you can enjoy coffee or cocktails from your backyard overlooking the lake. So if you don't have a need for extra rooms, whether you're downsizing or an empty nester, but still want something that feels luxurious and focuses on the spaces you'll be spending most of your time in, like the owner suite and common areas, this is a great option to consider. And the community is intimate and exclusive. They have a community clubhouse with a recreation center, fitness studio, pool, and tennis courts, but the HOA is lower, under $300 a month, and has no CDD, unlike the vast majority of new construction homes in Port St Lucie. Location-wise, you're right in the middle of the Treasure Coast, 15 to 20 minutes to the beaches and downtowns in Jensen Beach and Stewart, and 15 to 20 minutes to Tradition and St. Lucie West. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour and want more information about these homes and the communities that they can be built in, whether you're more amenity-driven, want the lifestyle and activities, or are a more private person, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I'm an independent broker and can help you weigh out all of your options and work with you whether you're looking to buy or sell a home anywhere here on the Treasure Coast.
So if you are interested in this home or think something similar to this would be a good fit for what you're looking for, whether you're considering a new home that's move-in ready or would want to be more involved in the construction of your home 9 months to a year out, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.